Toads are fascinating creatures that can be found all over the world. These little guys are known for their warty skin and their ability to stay moist for long periods of time. But did you know that there are over 600 different species of toad? And each one is unique in its own way. So today we going to share some fun facts about these amazing animals so you can learn more about them. Get ready to be amazed. Number 1. Toads can live anywhere. Toads are found on every continent on Earth except Antarctica. They prefer to live in damp, humid places like under logs or rocks, in gardens, and even in houses. In fact, it's not uncommon to find a toad lounging on someone's windowsill, soaking up the sun. Toads are also great at hiding from predators. Their color helps camouflage them in their environments. For example, a brown toad might blend in easily with leaves and twigs, while a green toad could be camouflaged against plants and grass. This helps them to stay safe from predators such as birds and snakes. No! 2. A toad's diet consists of insects, worms, and other small creatures. They're also happy to eat fruit and human food such as bread and cheese. The rough, bumpy surface of a toad's tongue is perfect for catching slippery prey. And their large, protruding eyes help them to spot potential meals from far away. Once they've got their eyes on a meal, their sticky saliva helps to keep the food from escaping while they swallow it. Number 3. Toads have an amazing ability to rehydrate themselves by absorbing water through their skin. This allows them to survive in dry environments where there isn't much water available. All they need is a little bit of moisture in the air, and they're good to go. However, if conditions are too dry, toads can suffer from dehydration and even die. That's why it's important for us humans to provide them with fresh water in their habitats, especially during hot, dry spells. We can do this by putting out shallow dishes of water in our gardens, or by misting plants and shrubs with a hose. Providing toads with the water they need will help them to thrive and stay healthy. Toads are known for their ability to jump long distances. While they may not be able to leap tall buildings in a single bound, they can certainly cover some ground when they jump. On average, a toad can jump about 10 times its body length in a single leap. That's like you jumping over a car. Wow, right? Toads are able to jump so far because of their powerful hind legs. These legs are made up of strong muscles that allow them to launch themselves through the air. When they jump, their bodies are propelled forward by their long, flexible spines, and their webbed feet help them to steer and balance themselves in the air. Toads use their jumping skills to escape from predators, to catch their prey, and to move around their habitat. No. 5. Toads are generally nocturnal animals, which means they're most active at night. This is when their predators are most active, so it makes sense for them to be out and about when everyone else is sleeping. Plus, it gives them a chance to cool off during the hottest parts of the day. Toads can see well in the dark thanks to their large pupils, which help them to gather as much light as possible in low-light conditions. They also have special cells in their retinas that make them extra sensitive to movement. This helps them to spot both prey and predators from far away. Number 6. Some people believe that toads are poisonous, but this is only true for a few species. The poison of the common toad is strong enough to kill an animal as large as a cat or dog. However, no human has ever been killed by a toad. If you're ever unsure about handling a wild animal, it's always best to err on the side of caution and assume that it's poisonous. If you do come into contact with a poisonous toad, it's important to seek medical attention right away. Symptoms of toad poisoning can include nausea, vomiting, headaches, and even paralysis. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. Do you have any fun facts about toads that we didn't mention? Share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more animal videos. Thanks for watching.